I'm recording this because I did it for Ethan. So, obviously you're gonna sit right here, put feet on those. There's another one right here. Do not put your foot on the exhaust. Your foot's probably gonna be like this. Your heel is gonna be on that, because if you put your foot on the exhaust, it's gonna burn through your shoe.
Okay.
When you hold on to me, when I'm slowing down, you could probably just put your hands on the tank. When I'm accelerating, you wanna hold on to me like this. Or you could do like one hand around the waist and one on the tank. But yeah, it'll support our weight, so.
Okay.
I'm ready, Freddy. How the fuck? I was struggling to record you.
But what the hell, boy?
It's a bunch of girls.
Oh, damn. Hey, don't fully lean on me too, by the way.
Okay.
We're gonna do a pull over here.
Okay.
Oh shit. Oh, that's a cop. We're gonna wait for him to pass, okay? You think he's looking for me? I cannot let him get behind me. Dude, he's right next to where you're parked.
Oh, fuck.
Go.
You want me to walk over?
Low key. He's definitely waiting for me.
You got a plate on there?
No.
Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna lie, I think he's looking for me. You're gonna walk over to Courtney?
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, he's definitely waiting for me, bro. He parked right next to her car.
Yeah.
I just did a pull down this road, going past Vonmar, and that's a cop sitting right there waiting for me. My whip.
You can get a custom box, so you have more airflow. Then that didn't wait.
Good boy.
No, this guy. God damn it. I, Loki, don't know where the fuck my directions are bringing me. I'm trying to pick up Braxton. Here he comes. Here's Braxton. Hi, Braxton. I just beat these fucking bums. You two fucking suck ass. 10-7, y'all fucking suck. You suck. You suck shit. Oh, I just left Braxton's house, and I am so fucking